video we will cover the last 10 year previous year question for CAT, and it is really important. And firstly we have discuss um, this portion. The first question is the Napoleon of India. Napoleon of India, A.V. Smith called Napoleon of India to Samudragupta. He is related to Gupta dynasty. Okay. Second one is Chris Evans associated with tennis game, and he won 18 Grand Slam singles champions and 3 double titles. Okay. Uh, mm, Chris Evans, he is related to tennis game, and she was year-ending world number one singles player in 1974, 1975, 1976, 1977, 1978, 1980, 1981, and she won 157 singles championships and 32 doubles titles, and she took retirement in 1987. Okay, two question is really important for first one Napoleon Bonaparte. Chris Evans is related to tennis game, and the next one is the first batsman hit sixes in over in a 20 T20. So who is Yuvraj Singh, who hit sixes in over in a T20 when 19th September 2007 against Stuart Broad, England, T20 World Cup, and the Lala Lajpat Rai, known as Punjab Kesari, Shere Punjab. In 1885, he established Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School in Lahore. Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School in Lahore. And the next question is, where is the capital of Austria? Austria, to Vienna. Who? Vienna. Vienna is the capital of Austria. And next question is, who is the Chancellor of Germany? Chancellor of Germany. Who is the Chancellor of Germany? No. This is not question. This is not question. Question is, and next question is, the term bully. The term bully is connected from with sports: hockey, football. As option is hockey, football, cricket, and other. So this is connected from hockey. Bully is connected from hockey. It refers to set play that is used to restart the game. Okay, मतलब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि इसे वो कहा जाता है कि सेट प्ले दैट इज यूज टू रीस्टार्ट द गेम फ्रॉम वेयर द infringement took place. Two opposing players stand facing each other and tap each other's sticks and the ground 3 times. And next one is Abu Fazl. Abu Fazl. Abu Fazl, author of Ain Akbari. Ain Akbari. Abu Fazl is author of Ain Akbari. ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कोर्ट की बात कर रहा है. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डास कैपिटल. डास कैपिटल इज रिटन बाय कार्ल मार्क्स. कार्ल मार्क्स कह सकते हैं, कार्ल मार्क्स. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज हवाई. हवाई इज लोकेटेड इन Pacific Ocean. Where? Pacific Ocean. It is one of the state of United States, and he is situated in North East America. Okay, this type of question also come. And who लाई बोलते हैं लाइटेस्ट गैस. लाइट गैस जो हल्का गैस होता है. Who is hydrogen? Hydrogen is light gas. It is also colorless. What? Colorless and odorless gas. odorless gas, symbol is H, atomic number is 1, okay, atomic weight 1.008, and hydrogen recognized by Henry Cavendish was the first recognized hydrogen gas, okay. And the next question is we will discuss the term Chukkar, Chukker, Chukkar used in polo. Where? Used in polo. In polo, which each team has 4 mountain riders, and the game usually lasts 1 to 2 hours, divided into periods called chukkars. Okay. And next question is, and the question is asked from the section Gondwana Hills. Where is Gondwana Hills? And not built by Akbar Awak's warning system. Gondwana Hills are located in MP. Where? Gondwana Hills are located in MP. Okay. And the next one is, who is the not built by अकबर, मतलब कितने से जो वो फोर्ट हैं जो अकबर द्वारा नहीं बनाए गए थे, तो एक फोर्ट उसमें दिया हुआ था ग्वालियर फोर्ट, एंड इज ग्वालियर फोर्ट कह सकते हैं क्या, ग्वालियर फोर्ट इज, and Gwalior Fort is Hill Fort near Gwalior, where MP, and he is built by Man Singh. Who? Man Singh. And the question is, the maximum sunlight in December, मतलब in December, maximum sunlight in December, the Kanyakumari, where Kanyakumari has maximum sunlight is goes, okay. Then the question is the first कन्याकुमारी में सबसे ज़्यादा उसमें दिसंबर में हो जाता है. फर्स्ट शार्क हेल्ड इन वेयर, फर्स्ट शार्क गोल्ड चैंपियनशिप हेल्ड इन विच कंट्री, ओके. So this is held in Lahore, Pakistan. Okay, where the first South Asian Association Regional Cooperation Gold Cup was held in Lahore, Pakistan between 16th July 1993 and 23rd July 1993. The country that competed in this tournament were India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka. Title was clinched by the India after defeating Sri Lanka. Okay, and this question is कि during the month of December, sun shifts towards tropic Capricorn. Okay, that's why among the given option, Kanyakumari is located nearest to Tropic of Capricorn. फिर the question is, आगे क्वेश्चन क्या है, फर्स्ट एक बहुत ही है कि अवैक्स वार्निंग सिस्टम क्या है. अवैक्स वार्निंग सिस्टम वाज इक्विप्ड विथ ये IL 1676 है इक्विप्ड विथ. इट इज मल्टीपर्पज फॉर इंजन टर्बोफन स्ट्रेटजिक एयर लिफ्टर डिजाइन बाय द सोवियत यूनियन ल्यूसियन डिजाइन ब्यूरो. एक क्वेश्चन था, मतलब इससे ये था पूछा गया था कि ऑकस वार्निंग सिस्टम कहाँ से इससे इक्विप्ड है, तो IL 76 से. फिर है फर्स्ट अफ्रीको एशियन गेम्स हेल्ड इन where first Afro-Asian Games in held in 2003 Telangana Hyderabad okay. The separation of the judiciary from the executive is enjoined at the Article 50 of the DPSP Directive Principle of State Policy 1986 तत्व में कहा गया है कि the separation of the judiciary from executive is important to ensure balance of power in the system. और DPSP क्या है? DPSP जो है ideals which are meant to be kept in mind by the state when it formulate policies and enacts laws. Article 36 to 51 under fundamental rights part 4 for part 4 DPSP not fundamental right. एंड CTPS इसको बोलते हैं चंद्रपुरा सुपर थर्मल पावर प्लांट इज लोकेटेड इन चंद्रापुर सिटी ऑफ झारखंड. कहाँ? झारखंड चंद्रापुर. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इक्वेटर डजंट what equator first wild whale in India. First wild whale in India is Digboy. Where? Digboy.